Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 21st October 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about realized 24 hours rainfall and also synoptic systems and weather warnings for next 5 days over different parts of the country. So let us begin with this slide. This it is showing observed rainfall during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST of today. So we can see that this Kerala and Mahe, Assam, Meghalaya, and sub-Himalayan West Bengal reported very heavy rainfall. That is rainfall between 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter, and heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 centimeter to 12 centimeter at isolated places over South India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. Quantitatively, we can see that in the subdivision of Assam and Meghalaya, Sohra reported 14 centimeter half long, and Badarpur reported 12 centimeter, and Kokrajhar reported 8 centimeter, Silchar, Lakipur reported 7 centimeter each. In sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Majhian reported 12 centimeter, Raiganj reported 9 centimeter, Cooch Behar reported 7 centimeter. In Kerala and Mahe, Palakkad reported 12 centimeter, Thrissur reported 9 centimeter, Ernakulam and Alappuzha reported 8 centimeter, Wayanad reported 7 centimeter. South India, Karnataka, Mandya reported 11 centimeter, Mysore reported 8 centimeter. Rayalaseema, Ananthapuram district reported 9 centimeter, Tamil Nadu, Sivaganga, Tensaki reported 9 centimeter, Ranipet reported 8 centimeter. In Arunachal Pradesh, Pasika reported 9 centimeter. In Nagaland, Paren reported 8 centimeter. So these are some of the significant amount of rainfall realized in the past 24 hours. These are the synoptic systems prevailing on today, that is 21st October. So yesterday's cyclonic circulation over this northwest Uttar Pradesh and Nehru moved further and now lies over east Uttar Pradesh and Nehru. And there is a trough running from this cyclonic circulation from this east Uttar Pradesh to north Gujarat across Madhya Pradesh. And yesterday's cyclonic circulation over this South Tamil Nadu now lies over Comoran area and Nehru, and there is a trough running from this cyclonic circulation to central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast. So these are the some of the significant synoptic system. Not much significant synoptic systems are there today. So therefore, significant warnings have not also been issued for most parts of the country except these parts of Northeast India and this South Peninsular India, and under the influence of likely WD, that is Western disturbance over this western region and adjoining plains of Northwest India. So we have issued this weather warnings for these three regions, that is Northeast India, Western region adjoining plains, that is Punjab, and this South Peninsular India. Otherwise, most parts of the country only light to moderate rainfall or dry weather is likely to prevail during next 5 days. So we will see in detail in the weather warning map also. Before that, we can see that withdrawal of southwest monsoon 2021. Actually, today has this blue line, that is during 14 to 21. There is no further withdrawal of southwest monsoon today also, and so this withdrawal line still continues to pass through the same location. And however, conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from remaining parts of northeast India, entire north Bay of Bengal, remaining parts of West Bengal, some parts of central Bay of Bengal, remaining parts of Odisha, some parts of Andhra Pradesh, some more parts of Telangana, entire Goa, and some more parts of Karnataka and some more parts of central Arabian Sea around 23rd October 2021. As far as this northeast monsoon is concerned, this will likely setting of northeasterly winds in the lower tropospheric levels over Bay of Bengal and extreme south peninsular India. The southwest monsoon is likely to withdraw from entire country around 26th October 2021, and simultaneously the northeast monsoon rains are also likely to commence over southeast peninsular India from around 26th October 2021. So this is the situation of onset of northeast monsoon 2021. So these are the weather warning maps for next 5 days. From this we can see that today, this as far as this northeast India is concerned, there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 to 12 centimeter at one or two places over this Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and also thunderstorm activity at one or two places also likely over these three subdivisions. And as far as the South Peninsular India, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over this area, that is coastal South Central Karnataka, Kerala, Mai, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal during next 24 hours. And thunderstorm also likely over these subdivisions, that is coastal and South Central Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And there is a possibility of isolated thunderstorm over coastal Andhra Pradesh as well. So other than these warnings, that is for South Peninsular India and Northeast India, there is no warning has been issued for the rest parts of the country, where either weather likely to be dry or only light to moderate rainfall is expected during next 24 hours. As far as 22nd October is concerned, there is a likely of impact of fresh WD, that is western disturbance, from 22nd over this Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh area, and also over this Punjab area. So isolated thunderstorm and rainfall is expected over these two subdivisions on 22nd in this northwest India. And as far as the South Peninsular India is concerned, this rainfall at one or two places is expected over the South Peninsular India, especially over Kerala and Tamil Nadu on May on 22nd. And thunderstorm at one or two places is expected over this South Central Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu on 22nd. As far as this 23rd is concerned, on 23rd, this Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, where there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, along with thunderstorm gusty wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph occasionally, and also there is a possibility of hailstorm at one or two places over these three subdivisions on 23rd, and thunderstorm at isolated places also likely over Uttarakhand, Haryana, and this West Rajasthan on 23rd. As far as the South Peninsular India is concerned, the rainfall episode of 22nd likely to continue on 23rd as well, and this episode will continue during next 4-5 days impact over South Peninsular India. So in summary, we can see that there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall at one or two places over Tamil Nadu, Kerala during next 5 days, and isolated heavy rainfall over coastal and South Central Karnataka during next 24 hours. So as far as this, the impact of WD is expected on 23rd as well, and this will continue, and however it will decrease on 24th. What is still there is a possibility of isolated thunderstorm activities over these pockets, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and West Rajasthan on 24th as well. And from 25th, this impact will reduced, significantly reduced, and the weather will uh, whether with either isolated activity, light to moderate rainfall is expected. Otherwise, though no significant weather warning issued for this northwest India, central India, and most parts of the country except South Peninsular India, as already discussed in 20. So we can see that this during next 4-5 days. In summary, again we are repeating that only today during next 24 hours there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over northeast India on today, and this heavy rainfall activity at isolated places likely to continue during next 4-5 days over South Peninsular India, especially over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal and South Central Karnataka. And under the influence of this western disturbance, there is a possibility of weather during 22 to 24 over this western region at Armenian plains. So these are the summary of today's briefing and warning for next 5 days. Thank you. We will meet again in different this daily weather briefing. Thank you.